Hello guys, Legendary Phoenix here. Many people have asked us many max doubts in our mail, which we have provided earlier, legendaryphoenix2007@gmail.com. You can also check it in the description of this video. So the common doubt among all these people were they wanted the solutions for polynomials. So I decided to go ahead with it today. So today I'm going to teach you exercise 2.3, page number 40 in your Max NCERT textbook. Yeah. So exercise 2.3. They have asked us to find the remainder when x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 when it is divided by x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x and x plus 5 and also 5 plus 2x. So for solving this question, we just need a basic theorem which is called the remainder theorem. So I hope many of you will be knowing the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem states that if some polynomial p of x is divided by for example, take it x plus 1. So in this case, this is the divisor. So what we have to do is, the remainder theorem states that we have to equate the divisor with 0. That is, we have to take it like x plus 1 is equal to 0. And from this, you get the value of x as minus 1. So all the divisors we have to equate with 0 and find the value of x. This is basically remainder theorem. So I will be like clearing all the doubts and I will be doing the exercise 2.3 in today's video. Yeah. So first question. The polynomial given to us is p of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. And we have to first divide it by x plus 1. So the first step which I told you guys in the remainder theorem is we have to equate the divisor. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Now we just have to substitute this value of x which we have got in this polynomial p of x to get our remainder. So we do it like p of minus 1. In place of all the x values, I'm substituting minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 3 of minus 1 square plus 3 of minus 1 plus 1. So we get the answer as minus 1 plus 3 of 1 plus 3 of minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. Plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. So our remainder is 0 for the first subdivision of the first question. Now let's do the second part. In this, we have to divide it by x minus 1 by 2. So it's the same procedure basically. We just have to equate the divisor as told in the remainder theorem. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. And you have to equate it with 0 and x is equal to 1 by 2 we get from this equation. Now we just have to substitute the value of x again in the given polynomial. So p of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now when we substitute x is equal to 1 by 2, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 of 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 of 1 by 2 plus 1, which gives us 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So let's take the LCM of all the denominators, which is 8. So 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 by 8. So we get the value as 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8, which is 27 by 8. So this is the remainder for the second question. Answer is 27 by 8. Now let's do the third subdivision. third subdivision, in this, we have to divide it by x. Now, many of you guys will be wondering what to do in this scenario. Since we don't have any constant value to add and equate with 0, we just have to do it like x plus 0 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 0. So we have to substitute this in our given polynomial, which is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0 cube plus 3 of 0 square plus 3 of 0 plus 1, which is basically 1. As all these are 0, anything multiplied by 0 gets turned into 0. So only 1 remains. So the remainder in this case is 1. Now moving on to the fourth subdivision. So fourth subdivision, they have asked us, when we divide it by x plus y pi, what will we get the value as? So in this case too, we have to go with the original procedure, the remainder theorem. So x plus pi, we have to equate it with 0, and we get as x is equal to minus pi. So the given polynomial is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So p of minus pi is equal to minus pi whole cube plus 3 of minus pi whole square plus 3 of minus pi plus 1. I assume all of you will be knowing the value of pi. In case you don't know, the value of pi is approximate 22 by 7 or 3.14. So you get this minus pi whole cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. So let me just continue the calculation. If you substitute pi is equal to 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7 whole cube plus 3 of 22 by 7 whole square minus 3 of 22 by 7 plus 1. Let me just erase this. We'll get like minus 22 cube by 7 cube plus 3 of 464 by 49 minus 66 by 7 plus 1. So if we try to simplify it further, we will be getting as 22 cube, you will get as, you'll be getting it as 10648 by 343 plus 1392 by 49 minus 66 by 7 plus, like we can take it like 7 by 7. Yeah, if we erase this, So let's take all the common denominator as 343. So minus 10648 and 7. So you have to do 1392 into 7. So plus 9744 minus again by 49, 3234 plus again by 49. So 343 by 343. I know this is a big calculation, but exams, I don't think they will usually ask these type of questions since this involves very tough procedures. So if you simplify the equation which I have given you, we'll get the answer. So moving on to the next subdivision. Fifth subdivision. In this case, the divisor is 5 plus 2x. So using remainder theorem, 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now let's substitute this in P of x, which is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So P of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 of minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 of minus 5 by 2 plus 1, which gives us minus 125 by 8 plus 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Let's take the common denominator as 8 minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8 by 8. Yeah, let me just erase this. Yeah. So this calculation gives us 25 minus 35. So minus 27 by 8. So this is the remainder for the fifth subdivision. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, you can send it in our mail legendaryphoenix2007@gmail.com, or you can also send it in the comment section given below. Yeah, so the second question is, they are asking us to find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. It's a similar question. P of x is given as x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. And the divisor is given as x minus a. So on using remainder theorem, we get as x minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to a. Now in place of x, I'm substituting a in this equation. So P of a is equal to a cube minus a of a square plus 6 of a minus a, which is equal to a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a, which gives a cube and a cube get cancelled. So 6a minus a, which gives rise to 5a. So this is the answer. 5a is the remainder. So this is the answer for the second question. Now moving on to the third subdivision. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. For solving this question, we just need to know a simple thing. For example, take a number as 49. 7 is a factor of 49. So when you divide 49 by 7, it's exactly divisible and you get the remainder as 0. For all the numbers you take, and when you take their factors, all the factors of a number will be divisible by the number itself. So one way of checking whether it's a factor or not is it has to be exactly divisible. What I'm trying to say is, for example, 49, the factors are like 1, 7, and 49. So for 49, when you divide by all these numbers, which are the factors of 49, all these numbers will be exactly divisible by 49. Exactly divisible means remainder 0. So for solving this question, they have asked us, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. So we have to find the remainder when 7 plus 3x is divided. We have to do 3x cubed plus 7x by 7 plus 3x. and we have to find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, we can say it is exactly divisible and hence they are factors. But if the remainder is not coming as 0, we can say that they are not exactly divisible and they are not factors. So let's do the third question. So using the method, we have to use the divisor as 7 plus 3x. Now using remainder theorem, we are equating it with 0. 3x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. Now P of x is 3x cubed plus 7x. Now substituting the value of x, P of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 of minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 of minus 7 by 3. We do it 3 into minus 343 by 27 minus 49 by 3. So 3 nines, we'll get it as minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3. So if we take the LCM, minus 343 minus 147 by 9, we'll get the answer as minus 490 by 9. So the remainder we are not getting as 0. This is not equal to 0. Hence we can say that this number is not exactly divisible. Hence it is not a factor. So we can say that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cubed plus 7x. So we have completed exercise 2.3 successfully. We'll be back with other exercises very soon. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our video. And if you have any doubts, please post it in legendaryphoenix2007@gmail.com, or you can also post it in the comment section. Thank you. Hope you all understood how to do it.